Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my blog, and this is Project Escape. Well, success. I got the vehicle inspected after all that, after I did the rotors, the caliper, and the strut spring, and success. So it is now legally inspected for another year. Well, on my way home, I now have a check engine light, and she was running really rough. And now she's not running rough. So last time I checked it, I had a misfire on number 4, which is telling me I got a bad coil. Well, it appears that I have an intermittent bad coil issue. So the next one of the next projects I have on this vehicle. So stay tuned. All right, let's see what my engine has to say. Or the what's the readings got to say? Oh, I'm gonna turn the vehicle off for 10 seconds. Again. Codes. Misfire on startup. First attempt. 1,000 revolutions. And number 4 cylinder. Okay. Alright, but it's telling me I get that baby. Come with me, Robin. Okay. So I have a misfire on number 4 cylinder again. Which is good, at least it's in the front this time. And not in the rear. So I can get that to read. Camera just won't read it. But anyway, it is a misfire number 4. And erase the codes. So that was the issue I had earlier, was the misfire a couple of days ago. So it's gone through 1,000 cycles, and now it's telling me I have a misfire. So that takes kick on that. I'm gonna have to place the coil. So anyway, stay tuned for that, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog, and this is Project Escape. Well, last night on the way home, I wound up with a check engine light, and it wound up being number 4 cylinder misfire, and it ran like crap, of course, because you're only running on 5 cylinders. Well, this morning on my way to work, started up good, and I drove all the way to work, and I don't have any erratic engine this morning. So I've got an intermittent misfire on number 4. You know, we're even talking a plug, or we're talking the coil. So this is a mystery. And I had it happen once before, about probably 200 miles back. I had the same problem, check engine light and number 4 misfire. So I guess it's either buying a new coil or a plug or both. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. catch you on the next Project Escape.